In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva app for print-on-demand iPad. We'll start right on the iPad. Opening Canva and tapping Create to begin a fresh design. For print-on-demand apparel, you want a high-resolution canvas so your print looks crisp on fabric. Choose custom size and enter 4500 by 5400 pixels, which is a common t-shirt standard and gives you plenty of detail without scaling issues later. Before designing, turn on your safety guides so nothing important gets cut off. Tap the three dots in the top right. Open the File menu and enable Show Print Bleed and Show Margins. The bleed shows extra artwork that extends past the trim, and the margins help you keep key text and graphics safely inside the printable area. Keeping your main elements within the margins reduces the risk of accidental cropping. Now let's design with iPad-friendly tools. If you are using Apple Pencil, open the side panel, tap More, and choose Draw. This is perfect for hand-drawn lines, signatures, or illustrative accents right on your canvas. Use touch gestures to drag, resize, and rotate elements. Pinch to zoom for precision. The Layers panel found either at the bottom or at the top bar depending on your iPad OS version is essential when elements overlap. Use it to bring items forward or backward. Lock pieces you are happy with and keep your layout organized as it grows. For print-on-demand best results, plan your design for dark backgrounds like black or navy, which are often top sellers. Make sure your text is bold enough to read at a glance and that it contrasts cleanly against the shirt color. Avoid super thin lines that can fade on fabric and keep your most important content inside the safe margin while letting background textures extend into the bleed for a polished edge. To edge look. When you are ready to export, tap the Share icon, select Download, and choose PDF Print. This format defaults to 300 dpi. The professional standard for sharp, detailed prints. If you have Canva Pro, switch the color profile to CMYK for more accurate color on physical products. If your print-on-demand platform requires a transparent background, export as a PNG and check transparent background, so only your artwork prints and not a white box. Double-check that you've removed any background rectangles before exporting a transparent file. That's it. Thanks for watching.